Hello students, today we are going to continue our exercise 1.4, our first chapter, rational number. In continuation with previous video, we are beginning with question number 8. Our first question is, for rational numbers x, y and z, verify the property x multiplied by y multiplied by z equals to x multiplied by y multiplied by z if the values of x, y and z are given. So first we will write the property. X multiply by bracket start y multiply by z bracket close equals to x multiply by y bracket close multiply by z. X is 5 upon 4, so you will write here 5 upon 4 multiply by y is minus 11 upon 3 and z is 1 upon 7. On the right hand side, 5 upon 4 is the value of x and minus 11 upon 3 is the value of y and the value of z is 1 upon 7. Only there is the change of bracket positioning, so this is the associative property of multiplication and it will be true. So first we will solve the bracket. So 5 upon 4 will be taken as it is. 11 ones are 11, 3 sevens are 21 equals to, here again 5 into 11 is minus 55 and 4 into 3 is 12 into 1 upon 7. Now nothing can be cancelled here, so 11 5s are is 55 and 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is minus 55 upon 84. Here also 55 1s are 55, so we will write minus 55 and 12 7s are 84. So this is minus 55 upon 84. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Next part will be done by you in your homework. Next is number 9. Use the distributivity property of multiplication over addition and simplify. Our first part is 5 upon 3 multiply by bracket start 24 upon 5 plus 9 upon 10 bracket close. So the rule of distributivity is like this: a multiply by b plus c equals to a into b, ab, and a into c is ac. Now these two will be added. So now we'll put the values. The value of a is 5 upon 3, value of b is 24 upon 5, and the value of c is 9 upon 10. So 5 upon 3 will be multiplied to first rational number inside the bracket. So it is 5 upon 3 multiplied by 24 upon 5 in the first bracket, and again 5 upon 3 will be multiplied to the second value in the bracket. So 5 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 10. Now 5 will be cancelled and 3 1s are 3 8s are. So this is 8. 3 1s are 3 3s are, 5 1s are 5 2s are. So here we have 3 upon 2. Now we'll put here 1 The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 and 2 it's a 16. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 1 into 3 is 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 upon 2 is the correct answer. Second case will be done by you in homework. Okay, this is 2 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 5 plus 6 upon 7 bracket close. So this question will be as same as this. So I am going to tell you one more part of this distributivity property. First value is to be multiplied by first rational number inside the bracket, and this minus 3 upon 4 will be multiplied to 7 upon 6 again. So minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 2 in first bracket, and minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by 7 upon 6 in second bracket. Okay, so 3 5 is 15. So minus 15, 4 2 is 8. 7 3 is 21 and 4 6 is 24. Now 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24. The LCM of 8 and 8 will be 8 itself. 8 divided by 8 is 1 and 1 into minus 15 is minus 15, plus into minus gives you minus. 8 divided by 8 is 1 and 1 into 7 is 7. 15 and 7 will be added here. You get 22 upon 8. Now 22 and 8 are the even numbers, so they will be divided by 2. 2 11s are 2 4s are. So your answer is minus 11 upon 4. Okay, so in this form you have to solve the second part yourselves. Okay, if you have any problem you can ask me. Next is question number 10. State the property used in each of the following. So first part is 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 7 equals to 3 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Students, this is the reverse order multiplication, so the product of these product on both sides will be same. 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. This is the case of commutative property of multiplication. Okay, so you will write the property here, answer commutative property of multiplication. Now second part is a upon b multiplied by b upon a equal to b upon a multiplied by a upon b. So a rational number when multiplied by its reciprocal gives you 1. This is called the multiplicative inverse. Okay. Third part is 3 upon 4 into bracket start 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7 equals to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 7. Students, this is the same as we have done here. So this was the distributive property. Okay, so you will write here as answer distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, next part is for any rational number a upon b multiplied by 0 equals to 0 into a upon b equal to 0. So any rational number when multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So this is the multiplicative property of 0. Next is when any rational number minus 4 upon 7 is being multiplied to 1. Here is also 1 into minus 4 upon 7, you get the same rational number, there is no difference. This property is known as multiplicative identity of 1. You can get the details of these property in between the exercises, okay, where there are the examples. Next question is Rajani bought 2.5 kg onion at rupees 30.5 per kg. Find the amount spent by Rajani. So this is the clear case of multiplication. So we will write here cost of 1 kg onion. This is rupees 30.5. Now cost of 2.5 kg onion is equal to 30.5 multiplied by 2.5. 32 is 60 and plus 161. So 61 upon 2. 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. So this is 5 upon 2. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. 305 upon 2 to the 4. So it can be expressed in mixed fraction because the question is in mixed fraction. So you have to write the answer also in mixed fraction. 4 7 are 28. 4 6 are 24 and 1. So this is 76 and 1 upon 4 is the cost of 2.5 kg onion.